Welcome to this video on how to manage your users on the NSv Connect system. Start by logging into the NSv Connect portal as the administrator. On your dashboard, click on the large button on the top left called Users. This will show us all the users on our system. Let's choose one by clicking on the username or the Edit button. On the left is their avatar and a summary of their account. This includes their username, email address, the caller ID of the last call they received, and the last time they accessed the portal. On the Details tab, you can deactivate their account, or edit their basic user information such as their username, email address, and location. You can also reset their portal password here. Additionally, you can change their role in the portal. You can promote them to an administrator, or give them group monitor privileges. If your account has the console add-on, you can give this to a user as well. Items that are grayed out are not available. On the Settings tab, you can manage their caller ID names and extension number, enable the console application, set up their call recording if you have that option, and determine any call barring necessary. This is also where you can enable their fax sending privileges, set up their fax format for incoming faxes, and if you have purchased the fax to email option, set which fax number is their fax caller ID. You can also see their audio conference room number and PIN code here, as well as reset it if necessary. On the Device tab, you can allocate unused devices for this user. If any device is available, they will be listed here. On the Mailbox tab, you can see the mailboxes associated with this user, add a new one, or allocate an existing one as well. You can use the buttons to edit, delete, or see this mailbox's existing voicemails. Clicking on the Create New Mailbox button allows you to customize the new mailbox for this user. You can set the email address where they are sent, and determine how the mailbox responds, its time zone, and add additional mailbox owners. The last tab is the Groups tab. The groups that this user belongs to are listed. You can add this user to a group by clicking on the Add User to a Group button. Choose from the available groups by hitting the plus button. You can remove this user from a group by pressing the red X button. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on managing users on NSv Connect. If you have any questions, please visit our website at www.nsvconnect.com.